Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making a super quick, easy and healthy chicken shish kebab. This chicken kebab is tender, juicy, very tasty and ready in only 30 minutes. So stay tuned for the recipe. If you're new to my channel, press on the like button, share my videos and don't forget to subscribe, it's free. And a big thank you to all my subscribers for your nice comments, your like and your support. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the marinade, you will need 3 full tablespoons of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 minced red onion, half a lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of salt or to your liking, half a teaspoon of black pepper or to your liking, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of coriandre powder, a quarter teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 3 big chicken breasts cut in cubes, 1 red onion cut into cubes, 1 green pepper or any peppers that you have at home cut in cubes, and 100 grams of mushrooms cut in half. Whisk well to combine all the spices, then add the chicken and mix. Mix well so the chicken is well covered with the marinade. Add the onion, the green peppers, and the mushrooms. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. After marinating the chicken, arrange it on a skewer and alternate with the onions, peppers and mushrooms. Repeat with the rest of the chicken and the vegetables. Then place it on a plate, cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. But if you don't have time, you can just grill it straight away. You can also put it in the oven or on the barbecue. It's up to you how you want to cook it. Then add a little bit of oil in the grilling pan and start grilling the chicken on a medium heat to get a moist chicken, making sure you turn it time to time so it doesn't burn. Once all the chicken is cooked, set aside to rest. Et voila! Our delicious and juicy chicken shish kebabs are ready. It's perfect for a dinner as it's healthy, very tasty and ready in no time. And if you want to save more time, you can prepare the marinade the day before and you will have a dinner ready in less than 30 minutes. You can serve the shish kebab with some flavored rice, vegetables of your choice or like me with a nice green salad. I hope you will try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Or you can send me a picture on my Instagram that you will find in the description box. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends. And before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time with a new recipe.